Hi guys, this is Mr. Delicious, the traveling tutor and coach, and welcome back again to our mathematics video tutorial for grade 10 students in preparation for the national examination in October. So this time I'm going to do the grade 10, and then the next set of videos will be on the advanced mathematics for grade 12. And then we have the general mathematics for grade 12. And then after that, grade 8 and grade 8 and more on grade 8 and grade 8 and grade 10. Okay, because I need to make sure that I am giving more of my time with the grade 8 and the grade 10 students in preparation for their national examinations in the subject mathematics. Okay, now let's move on to question number 29. So what is the question number 29 and what topic is question number 29? So this is question number 29. Question number 29 is find the length of the rectangle below if its area is 22 square centimeter. And the diagram is already given. The side length of the rectangle, is x minus 2, and the side width has an expression of x minus 11. The area is given as 22 square centimeter. So you don't have to panic when it comes to this kind of question, because all you need to do is always remember the formula. It's all about the area of the rectangle, then focus on the area of the rectangle. And from there, you formulate until you find the value of the required in that particular question. Okay, so let's redraw the given rectangle. This is the rectangle. Okay, the rectangle, which is the area, the side length is x minus 2 and the width is x minus 11. The area of this rectangle is given as 22 square centimeter. Focus on the given, okay? If it's given is that the area of the rectangle, then they will definitely be using the area of the rectangle, okay? Now, after you have illustrated the given values here, you will now go to what is the formula of area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is equal to length times width. Now, you have to remember that you are going to memorize all the formulas because you will not be provided with the formulas in your national examinations. You have to remember all the formulas. Okay. Now, the formula of area of the rectangle is length times width. If the area given in this problem, question number 29, is 22, then you substitute the area as 22 equals the length, the expression of the length of the rectangle is x minus 2. X minus 2. Now take note, when it comes to two terms or a binomial expression, always use brackets so that you will signify, or it will tell you that this expression is for the length. Okay, I hope that you are following this one. Multiply that one. Now, take note, I am using a dot here because the multiplication symbol x looks like it's also an x. So, to avoid the confusion, you can put a dot here in the middle. So, dot, and then the expression for the width is x minus 11. X minus 11. Now, again, I am using these brackets to signify that this expression x minus 11 is for the width of this rectangle. Okay, let's now start. Rewrite 22 equals. So I have here, you remember this kind of expression in algebra? When you are multiplying binomial times binomial. Okay, so binomial times binomial, you are going to multiply x times x. I used to teach my students that this one is like you are drawing a face of a person. So when you multiply x times x equals x squared. Okay, don't ask me anymore why x times x equals x squared. I expect that you know this one already. X times x is x squared. And that's because of the law of indices. And then we have x times negative 11. When you multiply positive x times negative 11, the correct answer is negative 11x. What's next? Negative 2 times positive x. Negative 2 times positive x is equal to negative 2x. Okay. What's the next one? Negative 2 times negative 11. Negative 2 times negative 11 is positive 2 times 11. 22. Okay. Next, rewrite. Simplify the expression. Rewriting 22 equals x squared doesn't have common, so leave it, rewrite it. And then we have negative 11x minus 2x because they are like terms, so you perform the operation. This is now applying the rule of integers. Negative 11 minus 2x is negative 13x. Is it correct? 11 and 2 is negative 13x. Next one, positive 22. Alright, you still have space. Let's have it here now. This now becomes 0 is equal to x squared minus 13x plus 22. When you move positive 22 to the other side of the equation, the positive sign becomes negative. Which moving 22 because we want it to combine with the other like terms of the constant 22. So that is negative 22 over here. So we have now 0 is equal to x squared minus 13x. So we have positive 22 minus 22 is equal to 0. So you cancel that one. So this one becomes 0. Okay, or simply nothing at all. So now you have the expression x squared minus 13x. To simplify this expression to find the values of our, or to find the value of our x, okay, actually when it comes to a quadratic equation or expression, we are expecting to have two possible values of the x. Okay, let's find out. So, in order for you, because we have two terms here, this one is very easy. All you need to do is factorize. So, we have factorize x squared minus 13x. The common term to be put outside is x. Okay, and then open bracket. X squared divided by x is simply x. Negative divided by positive is negative. 13x divided by x is simply 13. Okay? So now, the possible values now is 0 equals x. This is the first one. The second one is x minus 13x minus 13 equals 0, and therefore x is equal to, move the negative 13 to the other side of the equation, the negative becomes positive. Okay, so x is 13. Now, there are two possible answers when it forms a when it forms a quadratic equation or expression. We are expecting two possible answers. However, okay, the values here are 0 and 13. Now, however, when it comes to the measurement of the side, there's no such thing as negative 2 centimeters. Okay, So meaning that we will not be able to use that x is equal to 0, because when you substitute x is equal to 0, then 0 minus 2, you will have negative 2 centimeters. That is wrong. Okay, there's no such thing as negative 2 centimeters. Therefore, the value of our x is be x is equal to 13 centimeters. Okay? When you substitute the 13 centimeters here, 13 minus 2, 13 minus 11 gives you a positive measurement of the length and the width. So therefore, our value, the true value of the x is 13 centimeters. I hope that's clear now for this topic, and I'm pretty sure you will encounter this kind of question again this year, and please pay attention for this one. I'll give you 5 seconds to have a look at question number 29, and then we move on to question number 30. Okay? Timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now that is question number 29. Let us now move on to question number 30. What is question number 30? Okay, let me now raise this one. Question number 30, ladies and gentlemen, students around the world. My name is Mr. Delicious, the traveling tutor and coach in mathematics. Later, I will also tutor and coach you in science and physics if I have time. Take note that uploading video also requires money, and all of this, I spent all my money for this one just to help you. And I hope that this will help you in preparation for your national exams and to enhance your skills in mathematics. Now, let's move on now to question number 30 for this video. Okay, so there are 2 questions. We've done the question number 29, and now let's move on to question number 30. The question number 30 is just very easy, ladies and gentlemen. Students around the world, grade 10 students, especially in Papua New Guinea. Okay, this is the question number 30. This is all about substitution. You are going to substitute the given values for if P is equal to 4, Q is equal to negative 2, and R is equal to 3. All you need to do is substitute these values, but you have to be very careful because of the sign. So when you substitute the value of the given expression, you have to always use brackets, open and close bracket, especially if the values of the pronumeral is negative. Like for example here, we have Q as equal to negative 2. Okay, so let's now rewrite this one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have P minus 2Q plus 2R divided by P plus R, wherein the value of P is equal to 4, the value of Q is equal to negative 2, the value of R is equal to 3. I know that this one is just very easy to work out. However, some students are still making mistake because of the technique that when you are substituting the values of the given pronumeral and it carries negative sign, you have to be very careful about that. Okay. So the value of our P is positive 4, so leave it like that. 4 minus 2, the value of our Q is negative 2. So that's the time now you will use the brackets. Negative 2 to ensure that you will be able to perform this expression correctly. Positive 2, that is 2, multiply it by our R, although our R is positive, but it is best to use brackets so that you will know that the operation that you are going to use here is multiplication, and that is 3. Divide this one by the given expression underneath, which is our denominator, and the value of P is 4 plus the value of R is 3. So See, you don't need to use brackets there. So we have now simplified this expression until you get the value of the expression. So 4, negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. Positive 2 times positive 3 is equal to positive 6. Divided by 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now, this expression now will have a value of 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 6 is equal to 14. So, we have 14 divided by 7. Okay, finally, the value of this given expression is 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So, our answer is 2. Again, it's very easy, but the technique on this one is more on be very careful at using the negative value when you substitute. So we have 2 is the answer. Okay? So, attention to all students in Papua New Guinea. If you are in the Highlands region, Momase region, Southern region, or if you are in the New Guinea Islands regions, I hope that you are watching my mathematics video tutorial and coaching for your grade 10 national examination this year. This is Mr. Delicious, and also I'm calling my kababayan at home in the Philippines, students in the Philippines, okay? And also students around the world. I hope that you encounter this video tutorial. I'm just, maybe this way, this medium will help you to enhance your mathematics skills. Love mathematics because mathematics is all about fun. And it's cool to be very good at maths. Okay? This is Mr. Delicious Day, traveling tutor and coach, signing off. And we will now proceed to question number 31 for the next video. Bye and tata.